Tech giants are becoming desperate for massive amounts of electricity to run their sprawling artificial intelligence data centers, and they are betting billions of dollars on a completely new, safer type of nuclear energy to get it. A nuclear startup named X Energy has officially kicked off its investor roadshow, working toward an initial public offering with a target price set between $16 and $19 per share. If they hit the high end of that target, the company could walk away with a massive $814 million. This is a huge deal because the world is experiencing a massive surge in electricity demand, driven almost entirely by the relentless expansion of artificial intelligence and the push to electrify our cars and homes. Amazon is actually one of X Energy's biggest supporters. The tech behemoth recently led a $500 million funding round and has officially pledged to buy up to 5 gigawatts of nuclear power from them by the year 2039. For context, that is enough energy to power millions of homes straight to Amazon servers. This initial public offering is going to be a huge relief for early investors who have already poured about $1.8 billion into the startup over the years. So what makes X Energy so special? They are building what is called a high-temperature, gas-cooled reactor. Instead of traditional methods, the uranium fuel is encased in tiny, incredibly tough spheres made of ceramic and carbon. These spheres are then cooled by circulating helium gas, which transfers the intense heat to a steam turbine to generate electricity. This specific fuel design is expected to be infinitely safer than the older fuel rods used in traditional, making the risk of a meltdown practically impossible. However, it is not all smooth sailing. The startup is currently locked in a bitter patent dispute with another nuclear company that went bankrupt in 2024, arguing over the rights to these specific fuel fabrication techniques. Looking at the broader picture, the development of new nuclear plants has basically stalled outside of China due to massive delays and horrific cost overrun. This new breed of startups hopes that by building smaller, modular reactors in factories rather than on site, they can finally solve the cost problem. While no one has actually built a commercial small modular reactor yet, the race is absolutely on. The ultimate goal is mass manufacturing. X Energy believes that once their production line is fully mature, they will be able to slash the cost of building a reactor by 30% compared to their very first unit. All eyes are now on the price tag of the crucial first build, as it will determine the future of this ambitious energy company.